In this digital age, timely, data-driven decisions are a key imperative for digital service providers to thrive in the future. But is it possible without converged network and IT data? Now, let's tell you a story. Jenny works as a customer service analyst for a fiber operator. The company is growing rapidly, stepping up cable deployment and expansion into newer regions. Competition among fiber operators is heating up too. Hence, John wanted to measure customer experience. That would give him the insight to carve out the right strategy and race ahead of the competition.
Jenny, I need the metrics to measure customer experience. Can you get the values for me, please?
Jenny has her task cut out. Finalize a list of metrics to measure customer experience. Jenny goes about scouting for the right data sets to construct the metrics. Jenny is worried about dealing with a confounding array of metrics. She meets Mary from the billing team.
Hi Mary, I need right datasets to construct metrics for customer experience. Could you help me with it?
I have data for customer demographics, contact center, and a few other datasets. But I don't have anything else.
Jenny thinks she might have to try a bit harder for the data. Jenny fixes a meeting with Billy, a network engineer.
Hi Billy, could you help me with right datasets to construct the metrics to find out how the customers are rating the service?
Hi Jenny, I do have the dataset, but I am not sure how I can share it with you. Would you mind talking to the data team?
Hold on.
Now, Jenny wonders if she is up for a long-winded chase. She asks Paul in the data team if he can help Billy with the information she wants.
Hi Paul, can you help Billy with the information?
I can access the data Mary had parked in a centralized IT data store. But I do not have any data from networks, which is stored in a different store by Billy. There are no plans to combine that data with other sets in the store.
Meanwhile, Billy reaches his manager Sonia. Billy checks with his manager, Sonia, to permit Jenny to access the data.
Hi Sonia, can you permit Jenny to access the data?
But, I'm afraid, she cannot do that without approval from the data governance team.
Jenny realizes her problem is a complex one. The data does not sit in one place and there are too many stakeholders controlling it. Besides access and ease of use, she had to interpret the data and figure out a way to correlate them. John, meanwhile, is getting impatient. He needs to know more about his customers. John gives Jenny a nudge.
John, I was unable to get the data to build the customer experience metrics.
John is annoyed. He calls for a meeting with everyone.
All business decisions need to be data-driven. To achieve that, our data must be available and easily accessible. Let's work on a solution, fast.
At the meeting, the team found out that the data problem ran deep and was multidimensional. Siloed and scattered data, no common definition of business terms, no single version of data for business, non-conformance to regulatory requirements, poor data quality, data security is a risk, lack of data exploration capabilities, no self-service capabilities with business. The CDO, Jack, said the company's data ecosystem had to be reimagined from the ground up. A single pane of glass should be the access point for all data, be it business, downstream analytics, reporting and operational requirements. He also realizes strong partners are necessary to deliver this vision to stakeholders. Jack collaborated with business and IT leaders across the organization to finalize the objectives and necessary features. The reimagined data ecosystem enables ease of access, visibility, and retrievability for the company to arrive at data-driven decisions. The new platform has had far-reaching positive impact, from transforming day-to-day operations to enabling the company to build new strategies and approaches based on data analytics. All of it made possible by the cloud-enabled modern data platform with converged IT and network data. With the modern data ecosystem, they can now drive dynamic decisions faster.
John is happy. He and his team are much more aware about customer preferences. Now, they have the information to draw up a strategy to improve customer experience at every touch point of the journey, across network, IT, and billing.